Welcome to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in the luxury SUV market, the 2025 Range Rover. A vehicle that blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology, it sets a new benchmark for what a modern SUV can be. Usable, interesting and colorful space around the toy holiday. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Range Rover retains its signature silhouette, a seamless combination of sophistication and boldness. Clean lines, a floating roof, and flush door handles create a sleek, aerodynamic look. The redesigned grille and updated LED headlights add a contemporary edge, while the choice of exclusive colors and wheel designs ensures personalization for every taste. At the rear, the minimalist design continues with slim tail lights and a refined tailgate. It's a statement of understated luxury, proving that less can indeed be more. Next generation interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines luxury. The 2025 Range Rover is all about creating a serene sanctuary on wheels. Premium materials, including sustainable woods, soft leathers and even vegan options, adorn the cabin. The seats, designed for ultimate comfort, now feature additional adjustments, massage functions, and heating or cooling options for all passengers. Ambient lighting has been upgraded, offering a customizable spectrum of colors to match your mood. The attention to detail is unmatched. From the precision of the stitching to the hidden storage compartments, every inch of the Range Rover's interior exudes craftsmanship and innovation. Got access to energy and technology. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Range Rover doesn't just keep up, it leads. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 13.1-inch curved touchscreen running Land Rover's latest PIVI Pro infotainment system. It's faster, more intuitive, and now supports over-the-air updates. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with Amazon Alexa integration for seamless voice commands. The digital driver's display provides customizable views from navigation to performance stats, ensuring you're always in control. For audiophiles, the Meridian Signature sound system delivers an immersive experience with crystal-clear audio. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with dual high-definition screens and wireless headphones ensuring entertainment on the go. Stable performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover offers a range of powertrains to suit every driver. From efficient plug-in hybrids to powerful V8 engines, there's no compromise between performance and sustainability. The all-new electric variant is particularly exciting, offering instant torque, zero emissions, and a driving range that rivals the best in the EV market. Off-road capability remains a cornerstone of the Range Rover legacy. With advanced air suspension, all-wheel drive, and terrain response too, this SUV can tackle anything from rocky trails to urban streets. Adaptive dynamics ensure a smooth ride, while the standard rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. Safety and driver assistance. The 2025 Range Rover is packed with safety features to protect you and your passengers. Advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera come standard. The new ClearSight ground view technology provides a virtual look at the terrain beneath the vehicle, making off-road adventures safer and easier. For urban driving, features like automated parking and traffic sign recognition are invaluable. And with the inclusion of driver monitoring systems, the Range Rover ensures you're always alert behind the wheel. Sustainability and luxury combined. Land Rover has taken strides to make the 2025 Range Rover more sustainable without compromising luxury. Eco-friendly materials, improved fuel efficiency, and a focus on reducing emissions make it a forward-thinking choice for the modern driver. Land Rover? The 2025 Range Rover is more than just an SUV. It's a masterpiece of design, technology, and capability. It continues to uphold its legacy while embracing the future, making it the perfect choice for those who demand the best. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Range Rover. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with future fuel. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.